A very big hi to Mr. Sabdev Kumar, my academic skill lecturer, and my dear friends. Welcome to my video presentation today. In this video, I would like to talk about myself. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Lingishwaran V. Selvasingam, 20 years old. I'm doing Bachelor of Business Administration Hons in City University. Currently, I'm doing a second semester. I would like to introduce my family, not physically, by telling by me. So yeah, I have a very big family, and I have six siblings, including me. I'm the youngest one, and also why I tell my family is big because I have eight nephews and three nieces, so totally 11 children in my house. Suppose any other function will be happy in the house, they all will be together, and the house will be noisy with the children. So yeah, I love children, so that's why I'm telling about this. Let's move into knows me very well. So yeah, uh, I love to play badminton. During my school days, I am used to play badminton, and I participated in many tournaments during my schools, in school levels, not district levels. So, but now I'm not that active in badminton because I'm concentrating on my studies and my working. So I wanted to balance my life into studies and working. Even though I'm not that active in playing badminton, but I also doing another hobby, which is like reading books. Every day I read books like 9 to 10 p.m. And also reading about a historical documentary, which is I every week do it. It's compulsory to me read about something that happens before century, so it will help me gain more knowledge about history that happens before we born, so that happened a long time ago, which is give me more interest to know about a particular thing. Another thing about me is I love plants very much, and I'm an environmentalist too, because I mostly care about the environment, nature, and animals. Because I always bring some cat food or dog food. Basically I like to feed stray dogs and cats, because I believe that no some of the people didn't care about the stray dogs, but I have to, because it is one of my favorite job. I love plants because during my childhood time, my family, I love to do gardening sometimes. Even though we stay in the flats, but we have lots of pots, and we do some gardening during a weekend. So that's why I love plants very much. I still remember during my school days, during my form I'm studying Form 4. I was doing one exhibition about the plants and talking about the plants, what are the importance about this rose flower or any other flower. And also I planted many flowers and trees around the school, which is one of the special moment for me. And also my friends and my classmates have joined at that exhibition and doing some of and plant many trees and flowers. Apart from this planting or my hobbies, I also have a little interest in doing a paranormal documentaries, which is like doing research about a haunted place around Malaysia, and doing research about a haunted flat or any other homes that have been hunted. And yeah, I love to watch some horror movies too, to gain more knowledge about the ghost. Actually, it's kind of funny to think about, but eventually it helps to know more about what are the real ghosts. I have been do lots of research about it, so yeah, it helped to gain more general knowledge about the other world of the life. Okay, nextly, let's move into more deeper about me, which is during my school days, my ambition was being a archaeologist. This is because during my childhood until now, me and my dad always talk about historical thing and collecting some antique things like that. So from this, I gained more interest on being archaeologist. Even though I applied many university to actually there are only two university in Malaysia that are providing archaeologist course, but both of the university rejected me because I didn't take much in my SPM, so ended up taking BBA in City University actually. So because I take this subject because this course because I have a little interest in business. During my school days, I take business, which is perniagaan in Malay. So yeah, I have little interest in doing business. So maybe I will be a successful businessman maybe. And also I made a promise to myself, which is suppose I get a chance to pursue my studies in archaeologist, I will do it. And also I have been tell to my parents about it, and always my parents are supporting me for this. And yeah, suppose I have a chance means I will be pursuing my study in archaeologist. The most interesting part of my life is during my 18th birthday, someone just came to me and talk about a book, which is the name of the book is The Secret, which is contain many of the secret in that book. Okay, I personally believe in law of attraction, and I believe in universe because I trust universe. I talk to the universe and I tell to the universe what I want. You can ask me what is universe and how do you talk to the universe. I will say that everything is universe in this world actually. Even in the space, it is a universe, right? So I like to talk to the rain, moon, or sun because it's kind of relaxing, and I'll tell what I want. And eventually, I don't know it will be get or not, but it will give me some relief. Okay, I already told to someone what I want. It will be get back to me like that. Actually, from the beginning, I didn't believe at all because I didn't believe in law of attraction. I don't believe in universe during my 18th birthday. But I was like, why not we try something like this? Maybe we can get something that we want. So I tried, and I have get some things that I really wanted. Yeah. So I started to believe from there. A law of attraction is a principle of life, which is like you attract what you want. If you focus in something that you want, eventually you will be get it like that. If you become a magnet to attract what you want. For example, I always focus on a good thing. I didn't go for a bad thing. Like I will not think about negatively about something. So whenever I focus on positive thing, it will eventually become a positive. If you think about I can't do it or you can't make it, it will be actually become a negative. So it is all about you. How do you think? How do you attract about it? This is how I attract positivity into myself, and I also avoid negative people because whenever we connect to the some people, we talk to the people, it will give you an impact negatively sometimes because they are negative, because we can see what's their intention to talk to us, right? So I always advise some negative people who come to me and talk, you can't do it or it will be hard for you. I always advise them, can you please be positive? It will be happen. Suppose we do it, we believe in it, and we attract it. We focus and concentrate about it. Nothing's impossible in this world. I believe strongly believe that. So nothing's impossible. I can attract what I want and attract what I really needed. This is the interesting part of my life because uh, when I started to believe in universe and believe in law of attraction, in this theory, everything fall into the place. And I strongly believe if some people truly concentrate and focus on what they want, they actually eventually attract that thing towards them. So I totally believe it. This is my one of the interesting method to follow on. So I actually follow it from my 18th birthday. So this is one of the thing that helped me to get rid of some of the depression, stress, or anxiety, everything. So thank you for watching my video, and yeah, thank you.